Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to use this Ninja air fryer that I did the unbox last time. So unfortunately I didn't do the actual cooking last time, so today we are going to do some air fry for this chicken and cheese taquitos. Those are the charbroiled chicken breasts with the rib meat, flour tortilla. So I'm going to air fry for the taquitos, okay? And there's an instruction on the side right here. So there's instruction right here. It says air fry 350 degree. Place 4 taquito in the air fryer basket. Place baker into air fryer. And it says frozen. Take about 8 minutes. Let it stand for 1 minute before serving. Okay? So I'm going to pull this out. So I use this shelf as a stack it up because you could only fit like maybe like a 5 down there and 5 on top here. So you could double stack it with this, okay? So there's one more room for another one if you want, up to 5 sticks. And I use this to stack them up so I can put another second layer for 5 more sticks, okay? So up to 10 taquito sticks, either 8 minutes or 9 minutes. Okay, so you press this power to turn it on. Shows 000. You can adjust the temperature. We need 350. Oops. Okay. It's blinking 350, and then I'm gonna use 8 minutes. And all you do is just press start right here. I'm just gonna come back later. Alright, so we have less than 2 minutes left. And it automatically shuts off, and we're gonna time it for 1 minute before we open it up and then start eating. There's some of the quick instruction right here. For the drumstick, it says 390 degree Fahrenheit, 22 to 26 minutes. French fry, 350, 20 to 25 minutes. Wow, that's pretty long. Oh, it shows frozen. That's why it takes long. And I'm not sure this is like a French fry without the snowflakes. And it says 390 degree Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 minutes. Same thing. And if you have a steak, 390 degree Fahrenheit, 10 to 20 minutes. For like a cupcake, 325, 12 to 15 minutes. Fish, 390 degree Fahrenheit, 10 to 13 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and take it out and see. Wow, you can hear this sizzling. Oh man, some of the cheese is dripping down there. More clean to do. Although this is non-stick, so easy to come out. Alright, I'm just going to move this to the table. Alright, so I got my plate and then some tapatio. Pretty good. Still hot. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video like always. Peace.